morning students, this is Ansari Yasmin and today I have come up with the numericals of chapter number 4, Effects of Electric Current of Standard 10th. So in my last video I have explained you the first two numericals of the exercise. Now today we are going to solve the next two numericals based on effects of electric current. All the formulas I had already shared with you all in my last video. Now let's start with the numerical. Let's first understand the question. What is the question given? Who will spend more electrical energy, 500 watt TV set in 30 minutes or 600 watt heater in 20 minutes? So let's prepare a data. As mentioned in the question, the power of TV is given 500 watt and the time for it has been used is given 30 minutes. So that we will write here in data 30 minutes. Same way, power of heater is given 600 watt and the time for it has been used is given 20 minutes. Now which equipment has consumed more electrical energy, that we need to calculate. So we will first calculate energy consumed by TV and then we will calculate energy consumed by heater, and after that we will compare who has consumed more electrical energy. Okay, so in my last video I had given you all the formulas. Electrical energy or the energy consumed by the equipment can be calculated if we will take the product of power and time. So first I am going to calculate electrical energy consumed by TV. Okay, so let's put value in this formula. Power of the TV and the time for it has been used. We will take power of the TV is 500 into the time is 30 minutes. So students, the SI unit of power is watt. So we will convert the unit 30 minutes into SI unit. The SI unit of time is second. So I will convert it into second. So to convert it into second, I will multiply it by 60. So it will be 1800 seconds. So the TV has been used for 1800 seconds. Same way, this time also we will convert into seconds. 20 minutes is given. So 20 into 60, it will be 1200 seconds. It is 1200 seconds. Okay, now we were calculating the energy consumed by TV. So the power of the TV is 500 and the time for it has been used is 1800. So here I will take 1800. See here, direct we can multiply 20 and 20. So total you can take 40 and 18 5s are 90. So you can do the direct multiplication also here. So it is 9 lakh joule second energy has been consumed by TV. Okay, same way we will calculate for heater. So power of heater is given 600 watt and time is 1200 seconds. So electrical energy consumed by heater is equal to, formula would be same, power of heater into the time taken by the heater, the time for it has been used. So power of the heater was given 600 and it has been used for 20 minutes, which we have converted into seconds. So it will be 1200 seconds. So this 20 and this 20 we will get 40 here and 12 6 are 72. So 7,20,000 joule second energy has been consumed by heater. Now we will compare TV has used 9 lakh joule second energy and heater has used 7 lakh 20,000 joule second energy. It means heater has consumed more electrical energy. So we need to write answer in the last. The question has been asked that who will spend more electrical energy. So we will write heater will spend more electrical energy. Heater will spend more electrical energy. Okay. So in this way we can calculate which equipment has used or has consumed how much electrical energy. Now we will be moving on to our next question, the last question of this exercise. Let's first understand the question. An electric iron of 1100 watt is operated for 2 hours daily. What will be the electrical consumption expenses for that in the month of April? Okay, there is an electric iron whose power is given 1100 watt and it has been used every day for 2 hours. Every day it has been used for 2 hours. So because of this electric iron, what is the electrical consumption expenses? And the month is also mentioned. We have to calculate the electrical consumption expenses for the month of April, and in the bracket the charge of per unit is given. The electric company is charging 5 rupees per unit. So we will first calculate how much unit of energy an electric iron has consumed in the month of April. Okay, so let's first prepare a data. This would be a question D. The power of electrical iron power is given 1100 watt and the time it has been used every day. For every day the time is given 2 hours. Okay, so we will first calculate how much electrical energy it is consuming per day. So electrical energy per day we are going to calculate, and then we will calculate what would be the expense in the month of April because of this electric iron. Okay, so let's first calculate the electrical energy consumed by this iron. Now we need to see whether all the terms are in SI unit or in the same unit or not. Now see, power is given in watt, which is the SI unit of power, but time is given in hours, which is not the SI unit. So what I'll do here, I will convert this power's unit into kilowatt, because when time is in hour, the power should be in kilowatt. Okay, and 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watts. So I will first convert it into kilowatt. 1100 divided by 1000, as 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So to convert the watt into kilowatt, we will divide by 1000, as 3 zeros are there, so we will go 3 steps back and it will become 1.1 kilowatt. So the power of electric iron is 1.1 kilowatt. Let's first calculate how much electrical energy it is consuming per day. So the formula we have already seen. Electrical energy is equal to power into time. Power is 1.1 kilowatt into time is 2 hour. Okay, so this would be 2.2 kilowatt hour. This much electrical energy is consuming per day. So we will write here electrical energy consumed per day is equal to 2.2 kilowatt hour. Okay, so that was the month of April. So electrical energy consumed in month of April, in one day it is consuming 2.2 kilowatt hour energy, and in the month of April there are total 30 days. So we will multiply 2.2 by 30. So you will get 66 kilowatt hour. In the month of April, total 66 kilowatt hour energy has been used. Now students, we need to consider this, that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. So 66 kilowatt hour will be equal to 66 unit. It means 66 unit of electrical energy has been consumed in that month. Okay, now we need to actually calculate the expenses. We need to calculate the expenses for electrical consumption in the month of April. For electrical consumption, so the electric company was charging 5 rupees per unit. So total 66 unit has been used in that month. So what would be the expense? 66 unit has been used in the month of April, and electric company was charging 5 rupees per unit. So we will multiply here by 5. So 5 6 are 30, 0, 3 carry, 5 6 are 30 and 3, 33. 330 rupees would be the expense because of that electrical iron, the electrical consumption which electrical iron has done. For that the expenses would be 330 rupees. So in this way, if we know the unit, proper unit, if we know the proper formula, we can calculate these things. So all the numericals are very easy of this chapter. You just need to by heart the formula, you need to understand the formula, and then you can easily solve the